Our lesson today is about what makes up the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun and other objects in space that move around it, such as planets, asteroids, comets, and meteors. Let's start learning more about each one. First, the sun. It is one of the stars, and a star is a huge ball of hot gases that gives off a lot of heat and light. But why the sun appears much bigger than the other stars? Because it's the nearest star to the Earth. The sun is important so life continues to exist on Earth, and without it the living things wouldn't be able to survive, and Earth would be dark and freezing. Stars are in the sky in the day and in the night, but we can't see them in the day because the brightness of the sun covers their brightness, while at night the sun is not there to cover their brightness, and that's why we see them only at night. Stars gather in large groups. They are called galaxies. So the galaxy is a collection of star systems. We live on Earth, which is part of the solar system, and our galaxy, the solar system's galaxy, is the Milky Way. Number 2, planets. Planets are a very large object that orbits a star in space, such as Earth and Jupiter. We know they are planets because they orbit the sun, which is a star. There are 8 planets that orbit the sun, and their arrangement from the nearest to the farthest is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Number 3, Moon and other satellites. Satellite is the object that orbits another bigger object in the space. The Moon is a natural satellite because it orbits the Earth, and it's about 1/4 the size of the Earth. It takes the Moon 1 month to orbit the Earth once. There are no living things that live on the Moon. In 1969, it was the first time for a human to land on the Moon's surface. And the first astronaut who explored the Moon's surface was Buzz Aldrin. Number 4, asteroids. They are an irregular-shaped rocks that are smaller than planets, as you can see here, the irregular-shaped rocks. They are found between Mars and Jupiter, here, Mars and Jupiter, in the asteroid belt. Number 5, comets. They are made up of ice, dust, and rocks. They orbit the sun, and as they are nearing the sun, they heat up and form a dust tail. As you can see here, it's a dust tail. Number 6, meteors. They are small objects from the space. They burn and appear bright as they are entering the Earth's atmosphere. They are seen as streaks of light, and because of that, they are also named shooting stars.